here is what it looks like, and there is two sides of the coin. We use it as a communication between the wash bay and the garage technicians and the dispatchers, who are the ones that schedule the vehicles in our operations. So on the left side of the coin is the wash bay side. So currently it is automated to when a vehicle leaves the yard, it goes from clean, it triggers to out. If you want to sort by something, you can. So right now, these are the vehicles that Anderson has out on the road. When a vehicle comes back to our yard, it will automatically move to dirty. And then, so what happens is when my wash bay texts a specific number, a phone number, as well as the vehicle number, that it is clean, it will automatically be moved to the clean position. So right now we have 19 of our 42 vehicles are clean. So on the other side, and they are in green, on the other side of the coin is the mechanical side. So this is all triggered through Samsara's DVIR program. So right now we have 32 vehicles that do not have DVIR items. So if you're on the all screen, you can see it here with these lines. So these three vehicles are out of service. So what it is the DVIR items, the regular safe to drive DVIR items are listed as pending here with the yellow. It's those 6 there. And then the ones that are listed as unsafe are the red ones that are listed as out of service. And then we do have oil changes and stuff like that that does not go through Samsara DVIR. So we actually manually switch this to the PM status. So one thing that it works is that when a vehicle is both ready with mechanically sound as well as clean, it moves to this available status. So right now we have 15 available vehicles. So this is how we schedule our vehicles, especially for both last minute sales as well as if a vehicle, for example, fails a pre-trip, we will know to look at the schedule as well as this and see that maybe 34 is not scheduled out today, but it is clean and ready according to the wash bay and the garage. So that is what we would put a driver in. So other than that, there's a couple of other items. You can filter by whatever you want, whether it be vehicle number, or next return for the wash bay. So that's how they do departs by. So that way. And then a couple of other items is we have a checkbox for our wheelchairs. And so we have our wash bay, the ones that do that. So if a wheelchair is requested, the dispatch team will check that the wheelchair is needed. We also have a placement for our totes. We have long range totes, and there are a couple of different ones that we have. So we check that which bus has that tote in it. Those are when we send them quite a distance. We want them to have additional parts in addition to the regular totes that we have. And then there is a notes field. So this one, for example, is listed as out of service, as you can see with this red line, and it has a seat issue, and the mechanics wrote that its estimated time of return is 6:14. This one down here has engine repairs. We're looking for an engine currently. That is the PM one, which I do expect this verbiage to change over the near future here, but the estimated time of return is the end of July for that one. So that's a quick gist of it. And again, it bridges the gap between communications between the 3 departments of the garage technicians, the wash bay, and the dispatch team, so that it's all in one place to know what vehicles are able to be used at this exact moment in time, as opposed to old systems, which was spreadsheets, whiteboards, what you have it. So